Welcome to Baie-Comeau.
Quick stop in Baie-Comeau. Fuel, some crackers, a little bit of cucumber.
And a reevaluation of where we're going next.
As we fly further sort of southwest towards Quebec City, there's a weather pattern that's over Montreal that's
Going to be there for a few days.
thunderstorms, heavy rain, thunderstorms, and some low cloud. And so Quebec City is reporting right now rain, marginal VFR, clouds at 1500. On our way out, we flew into Quebec City in marginal VFR with clouds at 1500, and it was not great. There's some high hills around it. It's just not fun. So we've decided to skirt around the outside to a place called Roberval. Never been there before. Let's go.
Bonjour, Lee Radio. This is Foxtrot Mike Victor Uniform.
Foxtrot Mike Victor Uniform. Bonjour.
Morning, Mike. Foxtrot Mike Victor Uniform is Cessna 172, currently on the Baie-Comeau ramp, intending to backtrack runway 10 to depart westbound on a VFR flight plan to Roberval.
Roger, runway 10, you have winds and altimeter?
I have the winds and the altimeter, yes.
Roger, report airborne.
Report airborne, Mike Victor Uniform. Ready? Yep. Bonjour, Lee Radio, Foxtrot Mike Victor Uniform, airborne off of 10, Baie-Comeau.
Mike Victor Uniform, Roger, reporting the zone.
Report leaving the zone, Mike Victor Uniform.
It's the Montreal Center frequency.
Oh, yeah.
13465. 13465.
Mike Victor Uniform, confirm clear the zone.
Clearing the zone now at 2,600, Mike Victor Uniform.
Roger, speaking with the frequency, have a good day.
Have a great day, thank you. Montreal Center, this is Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Aircraft that just called Montreal, can you say the call sign again?
Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Foxtrot to Mike Victor Uniform, Montreal Center, go ahead.
Montreal Center, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Cessna 172, just departed Baie-Comeau on a VFR flight plan to Roberval, requesting radar surveillance if possible.
Mike Victor Uniform, Roger, I think I'm starting to see you ADSB. We'll see if it's thick. Code 0452. You have to figure out your time of departure from Baie-Comeau.
Departure was 11:47, and you just gave me a squawk code 0452.
0452, affirmative, and Zulu time will be 1547.
1547, thank you.
Mike Victor Uniform, identified at 3700, confirm.
3,700, confirmed, Mike Victor Uniform.
Mike Victor Uniform, Roger, and your flight plan is activated.
Mike Victor Uniform, thank you.
483, contactez le centre de Moncton, 13435, au revoir. Moncton, 13435, Pascal 483, salut.
What is that line?
That is a military area.
Okay. It's huge.
So Bagotville has this massive, and air forces from all over the world come to practice here. Today it's activated.
Jazz 7989, Montreal Center, good day, identified. Cleared to Montreal Trudeau Airport via present position, direct to MEVAC flight plan route. Climb flight level 240 and squawk code 4234.
Clocking 4234 now, so 240, in fact, cleared to present position, Montreal Trudeau, direct MEVAC, and then of course, 7989.
7989, Roger.
This side's all cutovers.
Yeah. There's quite a bit on this side too, but that not as... On this side it looks like it was cut probably 15 years ago.
Yeah, so there's a range here.
Mike Victor, Uniform, Montreal.
Go for Mike Victor Uniform.
Mike Victor, Uniform, I've lost sight of your target, so surveillance services are now terminated, cleared en route frequency. If you need some more flight following, you can do that with the Bagotville terminal on 127.2.
127.2 for Bagotville. Mike Victor Uniform, thank you.
Terrain here is really high.
Yes. Getting higher.
Yeah.
Well, you're almost out of the zone. Will you be able to fly higher?
No, we haven't approached his zone. So, no, I can't go higher because we'll be in military airspace.
I thought we were just leaving it.
Well, we are, but this is a military airport.
Okay.
CYBC, so we're going to enter another airspace.
Okay.
And then this mess of orange, not below 2,000.
Okay.
Ruin Radio, this is Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Foxtrot, Mike Victor, Uniform, how are you? Good day.
Good day, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Cessna 172 is 21 miles northeast of Roberval, inbound for landing, and I don't have any weather.
Runway 16, wind 040 at 5, altimeter 3006.
Altimeter 3006, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, planning then to do a left base entry for runway 16, full stop, Roberval.
Roger, runway 16, 80.
8 minutes, Mike Victor Uniform.
Roger, report final.
Report final, Mike Victor Uniform. Ruin Radio, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, base to final, Roberval 16.
Mike Victor Uniform, Roger, wind 090 at 6. Report on the ground.
Report on the ground, Mike Victor Uniform.
See, the
Yep.
dyslexic person shouldn't take notes.
Okay.
Ugh. Definitely a crosswind.
Yep.
Ooh.
Roberval, Quebec.
Welcome.
Welcome. We stopped here for gas. Had a snack.
Had lunch.
Uh,
Came
Quebec
to see the.
came to see the CL215s, and these are 215s because they have the radial engine still. They haven't been converted to the 415. I don't know. I think there's a fine line there. There's probably somebody who will correct me.
That's okay.
Same family of aircraft anyway. Quebec City has gone VFR, and there's a bit of low cloud at about 2,500 feet. So we've plotted a course to Quebec City. We'll see if we can get over there
And even if we get there, it's highly likely we'll be there
for a couple days.
for a couple days.
So and if we don't get there, well, we'll talk to you again somewhere else.
As we go on this journey.